All right, so we talked about the probiotic market, and then we're like, no, it's not the probiotic market, it's the gut health market. And then we said, well, it's the gut health market, maybe. Is it actually the cleanse market versus the actual restore market? Like, what is gut health? So if you're going cleanse, you're probably going psyllium husk. If you're going restore, you're probably thinking of helping the gut help itself. Now, that's not necessarily probiotics. Probiotics can add to it, but what you're thinking in terms of helping the gut help itself is what you're thinking is restore. So you're thinking multifibers. So you're thinking like, or our like organic baobab, for example, fibrous, resistant starches, polyphenols, even fulvic acid, things that help the gut help itself. Even things that you might not really consider in like a liquid cap or something like this, or even a capsule like our core biome, for example. That's a short chain fatty acid with a berberine, for example. This is super important for restoration and preservation of that gut barrier. So, are you cleanse or are you restore? And if you restore, you got to be thinking helping the gut help itself, and then you got to be thinking short chain fatty acids like core biome, resistant starches, polyphenols, and multifibers like fibrous.